Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I've been asked to draw Diamond Demon. Thanks for the request. I'm going to start with pencil to map him in first. So I'm starting with the head, construct him up, and the body is about the same sort of height. So we've got his arms coming out there, and then he's got his foot there, and there. Now I find it easy to construct up some drawings sometimes, depending on how complex they are. And then he's got his horn, one there, one there. Let's start Diamond Demon's outline with the horns. So let's start with this horn, shaped like so. We're going to do the same on the other side. So come out, kink it up a bit there, and then like that. Now we're going to put this part of his horn on. Now he's going to be tricky to colour in because he's the Diamond Demon. He's not the red demon or blue demon. He's all these different colours. So I'm going to bring this down for his head and around and then back up like so. There's his head. You see a little bit of this here. He doesn't have an earring on that one. And then we see another little bit of this here. And he has an earring coming on this one. Like a bull ring. Okay, let's draw his mouth. And his teeth. Now he's got very faint eyebrows. And they're angry looking, so we'll go up on an angle like that, up on an angle like that, and they get a bit thicker. When you want to do angry looking guys, that's how you do it. Now, a U shape, a U line there, and then another U inside that, and there's Diamond Demon's face. We can put some of these lines down here, but we're going to shade that in. Alright, let's bring his neck out. And bring this arm, we're going to bring this arm out, so it's going to come out like this, and then he's got a wrist guard on, and his wrist guard comes over like this, wrist guard over, and then he's got his hand coming out with his thumb. Now you can see that the construction lines have helped me get that in the right spot, and then he's got his belly. And then that's his chest on that side, comes out. Now we need to put his wrist guard on. It's going this way this time. And then his thumb is there, and then the rest of his hand's in there. Now he's going to have some spikes on his wrist guard. So let's put some little triangle pieces like that. I can see 4 there. I can see 3 on this side, 1, 2, 3. Now let's draw, that's his crutch, and he's got his leg coming out there, and it comes down. Now he's got these spiky bits, 2, 3, 4, and then it kicks up into his leg like that. Now he looks like he's got hooves rather than shoes. 1, 2, so he's mixed, he's got some bull-like characters with his horns, his nose ring, and now his hooves for feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that comes in. And then he's got his hooves coming out this side. 1, 2.